Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing about Google identity and access management. So basically the concept is who can do what. So we have the who concept where we will having different types of users based upon different types of work that they can do, and then we will have different roles, and roles will be having different permissions. So basically identity and access management is a very important part through which the different resources, how the resources can interact with each other, how the user can access different types of resources, what all type of permissions can be granted. Plus there are some inbuilt permissions, there are some inbuilt rules, and there are also some roles that we defined, and those are called custom roles and permissions. So who can perform what action, which resources. So again, who is the user, who is the service account that is responsible for doing the work, then what are the different roles, and again which resources means the type of permission that is granted. All use identity and access management, and API is free of charge. So this is, if you are implementing through API, it is free of charge. Then what are the different types of identities in Google Cloud? One is Google Cloud user. So only account able to complete this. So again, the user is responsible for doing all the different actions. Then we have a service account. So again, in service account, this is just like a API user account where on behalf of the user or this particular account is capable of performing all the different actions. Then we have G Suite domain. Then we have groups. So again, number of users can, so with similar nature of working, similar roles, similar type of work, they can be combined into group. And instead of giving permission to individual users, we can create a group, and then based upon that we can assign permission to that group. So this way, like, we can manage all the different types of users. If I talk about type of roles, so we have different types of roles. One is like, once we are going to create, so it is owner role. So owner is the highest role where it has all the permissions. Then we have editor, and finally we have the viewer. So as the name suggests, owner contains the roles and permissions that editor and viewer, whatever they are doing, all those permissions are with owner. So hierarchy is, first is owner, then we have editor, and then after that viewer. Then we have some predefined roles also. So we have single service. So service admin we have, then we have service viewer, and apart from whatever is there in the roles, existing roles, we can also define custom roles, and we can again create a user. We can define a custom role, we can define custom permission, and then we can assign those roles and permissions to those the new user. So apart from the existing roles, we have also have these custom roles and permissions. And again, in GCP, Google Cloud Platform, it is very easy to manage these roles and permissions. You just need to log in to your GCP account, go to Identity and Access Management. Once you are there, you just need to select a project, because again, everything in GCP is based upon project. So once the project is selected, then again, you can either edit the permission, you can create a new role, giving more permission. You have different types of account, whether it is user account or service account. All those things you can manage from the identity and access management screen. And apart from this, you can also create a service account, and again, you can just create service account and just check like how this service account is capable of interacting with different resources. So this is all about a basic introduction of identity and access management, and you can visit, or you can log into the Google Cloud platform, and there is a IAM and admin, and there you can get all the different options like labels, you have settings, you have privacy and security, you have roles, then you have logs also, so you can check all the logs, you can create groups, you can create roles, you can assign permissions, you can create different service account using this identity and access management. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.